Dear friends, I am Abraham Cherian. Welcome to my spoken English classes. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon above. I have already told you about 4 points you should remember in spoken English. 1. Listen English, hear English, and 2. Speak English, write English, and think in English. There is one more point: read English. You may be thinking, what's the importance of reading? Reading in English or in any language also improve the quality of our spoken English or the quality of our language. For example, if you read loudly, that will improve your confidence. That means you should start or you should learn to read loudly. Any newspaper, any story book, or any famous speeches, or anything in English, you should read loudly and confidently. If you will read it confidently and loudly, that will improve your confidence to a very high level. Another thing you should to bear it in mind that is improve your style. As I have already told you, every language has got its own style, its own way of speaking, its own way of reading. So, if you read it loudly, you will get that particular style of English. That's an advantage. Another thing is that it will improve your pronunciation. We should be very careful in our pronunciation, especially in a language like English. It may be written or the spelling is something else, but we are not speaking or reading as following strictly the spelling. There may be always some difference between the spelling written and the way of pronunciation. So we can learn the pronunciation or proper pronunciation of a particular word only by reading loudly. That is another advantage. We can learn the grammar to a certain extent. So when it is read, we can know something about the grammar. So the sentence is written according to grammar, so that if you go on reading, you will understand the correct grammar in a particular sentence. So that is advantage. Learning proper grammar is an advantage. Another advantage is that you will get idea. That means if you read something or read the newspaper, we should get some knowledge about the current affairs, around the political affairs, around the financial matters, etc. So, if you got language, suppose you have got language, you haven't got idea or you haven't got the content, you cannot communicate. So, by reading a particular paragraph or reading a story or anything, you will get idea about or the content about so many current affairs or many facts. That's the advantage of reading loudly. Another advantage you are getting is you are getting vocabulary. If you want to become a good speaker, if you want to communicate anything, you should have vocabulary. You will get vocabulary by reading. So that is another advantage. So you may be thinking that reading is not of so much importance, but it has got its own importance and its own advantage. So think it, bear it in mind that you should always find time to read loudly and to read to others. If you read loudly in the presence of others, it will improve your confidence and improve your skill in spoken English. Thank you.